Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. If you were referred here from the unboxing video, welcome back. I greatly appreciate you viewing my videos on my channel. But if you were looking to figure out why a certain color isn't printing, the only way you can do that is by going into the maintenance of this printer. I do sell a product that fixes this problem, but unfortunately, on this printer here, which is one of the only printers on the market, you cannot do that. You will have to go into your settings and you will have to just use the clean printhead option. So to do this, you're going to want to remove your ink. Now what I will say here is you've got to manually check your ink from time to time, because sometimes in the system it'll show that it's full but it's really not. And so you're going to want to manually check that. If you're already missing colors, you know that there's dried up ink in the printhead. So I'm going to leave a link for some brand new ink and in the description below. You're going to need that in order to proceed, because if you keep using old ink, you're going to run into this problem again. So you're going to go to your maintenance, you're going to go to printhead cleaning, and you see all the options there. But the first thing I want you to do is I want you to print out a test. To do that, you're going to go to maintenance, IMPR print quality. IMPR print quality for white lines. You're going to print that one out. Okay, yes on that. So once that is printed out, that's going to give you a good idea of what colors, or if it's not color, if it's black that needs to be cleaned. They might all need to be cleaned, but this report will give you a better idea of what exactly needs to be done. So once you know that, then you're going to go back to your maintenance and you are going to go to printhead cleaning, and then you're going to select which one depending on that report. That's really all there is to it, you guys. I hope that this information ended up being helpful. Again, a link for the brand new ink on this printer is going to be in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.